the good Senator Christopher Bongo will initiate an investigation if complaints are filed in his committee.
If there are complaints.
If there, paano nga naman kung walang nagko-complain?
Oversight function.
Siguro. But sabi ni Senator Go, di ba? Apology is not enough. Oh, take it from there.
Are you willing, is the palace willing to
To what?
punish APC?
Who?
APC,
There is no
Speaker.
sacred cow in this government. We've been repeatedly saying that. Those who transgress the law will be accountable.
Even if there are allies of the president.
Uy, naman eh. Did you see the president fired his friends and allies in the cabinet? That should respond to your query.
Right, cool, thank you.